I'm Haft-Seen and I'm so active these days, as you see. Today, I want to go and buy things for my Sofreh Haft-Sin. If you don't know what Sofreh Haft-Sin is, be sure to check my next video. I'm gonna upload it tomorrow. It's about Nowruz and it's so important, okay? But let me give you a little introduction. When it's Nowruz, Iranians set a Sofreh or kind of table. We call it Haft-Seen, and we have to put specific things on it. I have to buy them. Today I want to go and buy them, and be with me. Let's go. Guys, it's Mazariha Street. I took a lot of videos in here. I don't remember which one of them, but everyone believes this is the most beautiful street in Yazd, and they decorate it every year for Nowruz. This year we have a lot of balloons. Anyway, let's go. And look what we have here. It's a vase. It's supposed to be. I mean, they hadn't put any flour in it, but they're gonna do that. I hope so. Okay, guys, we were in fruit store and Seeb. We bought steep or apple and Seer or garlic. Let's go for the other things. Sabzeh or grass, sprout, something like that. Which one? Yes. Okay, we bought Sabzeh or grass, I guess, and Senjed, which is a Russian olive, something like that. We're looking for Samanu, which is very important, but nobody has it. Guys, I can't find. I hope I can find it. And the last item, Samanu. It's like a sweet, I guess. It's eatable, but actually no one eats it. There are only a few people who likes it taste, and I'm not among them. I don't like Samanu at all. Actually, it's not the last item. There are other things too. For example, Serkeh or vinegar. We have Somaq or sumac. Something like that. We already have them at home, so I didn't buy them anymore. Okay guys, that's it. We bought everything we need, and now I only have to set the table. Just to tell you, all of these items have a meaning behind them, and they are a symbol of something, which is very important, and I'm gonna explain all of these things in tomorrow's video, so stay tuned. And be sure to check it out. See you later, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and love you all, guys. See you later. Bye.